Okay, good afternoon everyone. It's time for another unboxing video. The last one I did with a similar product got quite a lot of reviews, so I thought I'd try another one, see how this one did. Yeah, these things are wrapped up pretty good, I tell you that much. Fucking Jesus. Adidas. Whatever. US. UK size 9. They are the VS Pace. Oh, look at that. The guys put a free Haribo in for me. I wonder what was rattling around in there. Thought I'd been sat in an empty box then for a minute. Whoa, bloody hell. Look at that. I think it's called olive green. I saw them in a picture. It looked a bit... That's because they were probably under a spotlight. Then I saw a real picture on eBay. I thought, oh, gotta get these. Look at that. That is nice. Black sole. White rim. Green. Black Adidas. I wish this had been black instead of white, the stripes. That would have been better. Black insoles, yeah, nice and soft. Let's have a look. Oh, look as easy, look at them. Yeah, they are very nice, I like them. I wish the stripes had been black and the sole had been black instead of white, but there we are. I'm happy with that. There we have it. Adidas V-Pace size 9. Olive green, I think I call it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll be back real soon. See you on the next one.